Hi everybody, this is Lisa. I'm making baby soap today. It's light green with the color from French green clay. Let's see how this one. This is a different recipe, so you don't see the big fluffy clouds today. But I caught it before it blew up into clouds. Soap doesn't have to have fluffy clouds or volcanoes to be perfect. It doesn't have to. This pot is a little smaller than what I used to have, but it's fine. It's just perfect because I make small batches. Okay, so you see how the soap is becoming a little bit creamy and fluffy. See that part? This video is going to be shown to my group. I have a group called Basics in Soap Making by Auntie Lisa, and now we have about 2,500 members, and they came about within 2 months or 3 months. They just all blossomed. We had only about a few members for a year or two, just a couple of Buddhists. Alright, see, this is mashed potatoes looking. This is part of the hot process look. And then when it's ready, it becomes very much like Vaseline. And this is the lesson I need to show my members of the soap making group, because they want me to teach them every day, and of course they want to learn for free. But I think eventually I'm going to send out recipes in the mail, and maybe they can contribute a little bit of something. Okay, see how it's getting like Vaseline? That's part of the magic. This is really ready, but I'm going to stir it for a few more minutes off camera. But I just wanted to show you what all the different phases of soap making and hot process are. Cold process is completely different. Bye and have a nice day. Bye-bye.